Hi, I'm Allan Morrow and welcome to this Trance Kick Bass and Acid tutorial. If you're listening to tracks on your favourite labels and finding that your tracks just don't have that same drive and power, then be sure to check out this 1 hour 39 minute in-depth tutorial. Kick and bass is such an important part to your trance tracks foundations, so in this tutorial I'll be covering everything right from selecting your sounds to mixing it all together in real time with nothing pre-planned so that you get to see the full process. I'll be covering the kick and sub bass relationship and how to solve phasing issues. I'll be going over the mid bass and how you can achieve more drive or groove. I'll be creating multiple acid layers to create interest, drive and more complex sounds, and I'll also be covering such things as sound design, ARPs, EQ, leveling, effects, stereo imaging, MIDI patterns, sound selections, plus much more. So for more information on a full description on everything that is covered, then be sure to check out the video at allanmorestudios.com and grab your copy now.